Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be sharing with you on how to bake a Maha Blanca. It's very easy and simple, guys. You don't have to be a pastry chef or a baker in order to make a Maha Blanca. Everybody can do this. It's very simple. So let's do this. Let's get started. So we only need 7 ingredients, guys. It's very easy to find these ingredients. You only need to have 1 big can of condensed milk, 3 cups of coconut milk, 1 big can of sweet corn cream, and 1.5 cup white sugar, and 1 big can of evap, and 200 grams of cornstarch. And this is optional, the cheese, cheddar cheese, it's optional. And we also need 2 cups of water and another 1 cup for the cornstarch to dissolve. So let's just all combine the ingredients except the cornstarch. Evap, cheese, sugar, sweet corn cream, and the water, 2 cups. Just mix it. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed. Then we put it in the pan. This is the coconut mixture. So we now put it on the pan. Let's just stir it, guys. So we'll put the cornstarch later, guys, because it's easily get cooked. So we put it later. Once this coconut mixture is already boiled, then we can add the cornstarch. So while waiting for the coconut mixture to boil, let's dissolve our cornstarch. 200 grams of cornstarch, then just add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. It's already started to boil. It's very easy, guys, and very quick. It's very easy to prepare. It's very easy to find the ingredients, and it's very easy to cook. Just mix it all together, and that's it. Just put the heat to medium high. Just stir it occasionally. I won't be selfish, guys. I'm sharing it to you guys, so maybe it could help you save when you have some parties, or it can help in your business. Oh, and you can cook it for your loved ones. By the way, guys, for the sweet corn cream, if you cannot find sweet corn cream, you can also use corn kernel. Mix the cornstarch and put the heat to medium-low. Stir it continuously, guys, so it won't burn the bottom until it gets cooked. I'm so excited. Looks so yummy. I guess it's cooked already. Yes. You have to put it on a tray or...
Cheese.
Gamay ra, kaya huwag tayo kay cheese.
May dalang cheese diha siguro?
Sa ibabaw na lang. Looks so yummy. So we have to put, it's optional if you want to put a cheese on top, grated cheese on top, you can do so. Let's put it. So this is the finished product. And it just keep it cooled down first before putting on the fridge. It's perfect.
A few moments later.
Taste my Maha Blanca. Honest comment.
Wow.
So I can improve better next time.
Wow, very sweet, very delicious.
For sure. Sure ba? Kaya ma-improve na to.
Arang ka sure, oy. Arang lami ata.
Rate 1 to 10. 10?
10.
Pwede na?
Pwede na.
Okay. Lami? Pwede na?
Taste lingkod.
Ay, kulang na. Sobra.
Try to eat. Very sweet.
Perfect. Yeah, hey, thumbs up kay Father. No? It's perfect. Thumbs up. Sure? Okay, thumbs up. Last night, I let my parents and sister pre-taste my Maha Blanca. And I got 3 thumbs up. Now this is the final taste. I just love to share it with you. Maybe it could help you save when you have some parties, or you can make some business out of it, or you can cook it to your loved ones. And by the way guys, it's my first time to make Maha Blanca, and this is my secret recipe. It's really creamy and yummy guys. If you're diabetic, maybe you can less the sugar to 1 cup is fine. But it's perfect guys. It's creamy, yummy. Yay! Success! Thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you again. Please comment down below if you like my recipe. And please let me know if you try to make this at home. Thank you. Bye. So here's the finished product of my Maha. It's super creamy and yummy.